Hi guys, I am back with another cleaning project, and today we are going to be cleaning hard water stains off of my shower glass door. I hope you can see the hard water stains on this glass. I put some black construction paper there, but I think all it did was turn it into a mirror. So you can see my cat, but not the stains as well in that area. But here, hopefully you can see, I've got a lot of buildup stains. It's been at least a year since I've worked on cleaning the spots off. So I've got a new product that I'm really excited about that we're going to test today. And we're going to test this stone and glass scrub two different ways. First, I'm going to do it by hand, just on a microfiber rag. And the second way is with a scrubbing brush that you attach to your drill. So this scrubbing brush is made for glass. It's safe enough to use on glass. And make sure that if you try this, you use the ones that are designed for glass. I'll link to that cleaner and the drill attachment in the description of this video in case you need it. So I'm using a wet microfiber rag to hand scrub the glass door on the left side of this glass door. I'm using a good amount of product and I'm scrubbing pretty hard while I'm doing this. It says to scrub it in until you think the hard water stains might be gone. So I think I did this for about 3 minutes and then let it sit for 1 minute before you wipe it away with a clean wet rag. While I was letting the left side sit with the product on it, I put a towel underneath the glass door because I don't know if this drill brush is going to sort of splatter the cleaner around. So I want to make sure that I'm prepping the area. Then I decided I was going to apply a bunch of the product onto the glass with the rag and then go back with the drill brush to scrub it in, to try to scrub all of the hard water stains off of the glass. You want to have a little bit of water in with the product so that it can spread around on your glass pretty evenly, but not too much water because, again, you don't want it splattering everywhere. I think the next time that I use this scrub on the hard water stains, I'm going to do it right after I've had a shower so that the glass door is already kind of wet, and then I can just go after it with that drill brush. So for this first round with the drill brush, I kept making sure to apply more product as I was working. I wanted to have a nice thick, even layer of the product and make sure that I hit every bit of that shower glass door. I ended up using the drill brush for about 3 minutes too. So it's the same amount of scrubbing on either side, but of course with the right-hand side, the drill brush is doing all of the work for me. This cleaner can clean hard water stains off of stone and tiles. So even though I have white marble tiles here, if you have a black marble or a black slate or granite tile that has a lot of hard water stains built up on it, try this product because, especially with the drill brush, the soft drill brush, the white one, it can get a lot of those hard water stains off of your tile for you and make your tile look just as good as new. But I want to highly recommend sealing your tile after using a drill brush on tile. I used a drill brush to clean my tile in my kitchen, and I was stripping the sealer. I could tell it was stripping the sealer off of my grout. So it's really important that after you use these drill brushes to seal your tile afterwards. But this tile brush is a game changer for anybody that has those hard water stains on dark tile in their shower. Okay, let's move back to the hard water stains on my glass shower door. So I've got a big rag here. It just has water on it. It's a clean rag. I'm just going to wipe the product off now. So it's probably actually been sitting there for about 10 minutes. Once I get the product cleaned off of both sides, we'll get a close look at those hard water stains again and see if it matters whether or not you use the drill brush and if the product's actually working. After wiping that glass shower door clean, I grabbed a dry rag to buff it and make sure I got all of the water spots off so we can have a close look. The spots on the glass aren't the easiest thing to see, so look at the rug through the glass and you'll be able to see which side has more spots. If you look at the right-hand side, you can see a lot more detail on the rug. The rug looks like it's in high def, kinda, and the left-hand side still looks smudgy. So the right-hand side is not completely clean yet. There's one area, that area that I'm pointing out there, that is super clean. So I must have worked on that spot better with the drill brush than I did in certain other spots. So the side that I worked on with the drill brush definitely got a lot cleaner than the one I just used my bare hand on, but both sides still need some more work. So I'm going to do another pass across the whole shower door with my drill brush. Okay, so the second pass was just like the first pass, except for I'm just using the drill brush now instead of trying to scrub with my hands. The drill brush clearly for me works a lot faster. So I'm getting all of the product, a bunch of product onto the door, and then I'm just going to work with that drill brush across the whole surface. It's kind of like brushing your teeth. So make sure you keep hitting the same areas over and over and over again so that it's getting each spot nice and clean. Once that was done, I was back with a clean towel to wipe away all of the cleaner so we could see how the hard water stains were looking after the second pass. And of course, I dried the glass too, just to make sure all of the water was off before I had a good look at those spots. Okay, we're skipping forward a little bit, guys. I'm inside my shower now. The shower door is closed. So we're looking through on the left-hand side the door that I cleaned, and on the right-hand side is the panel that doesn't move. So I haven't cleaned that yet, and you can see the big difference between the rug on the left and the rug on the right. You can still see on the right, all of the hard water stains are still there because I haven't used the cleaner on that side. But on the left-hand side, look at how clearly you can see that rug there. So I think probably 3 passes would be average for getting rid of the water stains with a drill brush. But I'm loving these results. So this product is going to be my new go-to because it didn't take that much effort with the drill brush and the cleaner to get the hard water stains off. I do have a previous video showing how to use vinegar and baking soda to get your hard water stains off of your glass. If you prefer that, I'll put a link above. But this product is great. It smells like oranges. It doesn't have a strong smell. It smells like oranges. And look, it even got my hardware clean. So on the left, I scrubbed it with the drill brush, and on the right, no scrubbing was done. So you can see it even works really well on your hardware in your shower too. That's it for today's video, guys. As always, put any questions you have in the comments below. I do try to answer them when I get a chance. All right, see you next time, guys.